out there, it's Shola ABC. You are welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I just want to talk about those three mighty, let me use awesome lines I played over the progression of 1, 5, 4, 5. You can, this is applicable to any kind of song that has that progression. So before we proceed to the class, I would like you to click the subscribe button and put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any of my video updates. Now let's get to the first line. The first line was built from F major 7th, then all the way to the B flat major 7, then to C major. Are you getting it? So I have this progression starting on my 1, which is F, then to my C, then to my F, then to my B flat rather, then to my C. Now I coined out this line, which started by playing some F major 7 arpeggio, then on my 5 I played some major scale idea from F, starting from my 6th degree of the major scale. Then a descending B flat arpeggio, then ascending it again. So I use this kind of technique, the sweep picking technique. Then to my C. Now I'm going to be playing it very slow, the leads in full. Slower. Now I'm using the tonic software so as to make it more clearer this time around. Si, do, mi, sol, ti, la, la, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, sol, la, ti, do. Then la, fa, do, la, fa, la, do, fa, la, do. Re, ti, sol, re, ti, sol. So the licks all together. I think these are not some lines you can, you can dial into that kind of progression. Now here is the breakdown of the second line. The second line sounds like this. Now the idea started with the pentatonic idea, something like this. Re, mi, re, do, la, sol. Re, mi, re, do, la, sol. Then a major scale idea from F. Then a chromatic idea starting from the 5th on F. Then play the same note on the octave. So the first part together. That's the first part. Now linking it to the second part. After hitting this octave note, then you still do some major scale idea, then a descending F major triad, then you go to the B flat major 7 arpeggio, then the root of your chord 5, which is C, then to the top. So all together, being put together. You have to be conversant with this sweep picking. Sweep down. Then all together slowly So that's just for the second line. The third line is something very related to the second line, but this time around our chromatic comes in at the middle, not at the close end of this one. So the lick is starting from, so this is lick. So let's do the breakdown. So I started with this. That's the pentatonic idea. Starting from the third of F. That's it. Start from that A note. Then the chromatics comes in. C, B, B flat. Then repeat that A. Then you go again. Then we play. So we employ sweep picking again on our C descending arpeggio. Then the C major arpeggio. Then sweep down, come back to our B flat note. So all together the lick slowly. You know, it can be very weird when you are trying to play it very slow. We are not trying to play it up to the tempo. That is why you're having all those kind of little lag. So that's all the monster licks all together. I believe you can get to apply this to any progression that goes that way. You can just have a looped chord and you try that over hit, and I'm very sure it's going to help you. It's going to shape your play. So if you enjoyed this lesson, I would like you to click the subscribe bell once again and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any future update. See you in the next lesson.